What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Toshi, which is up 6.6% at quadruple zero six, $259 million market cap, very small market cap comparative to other larger meme coins, especially since it's on base. Base really doesn't have any massive mainstream coins, and I think Toshi is grabbing the attention of quite a few people in this industry. We have a circulating supply of 420 billion out of 420 billion. The all-time high in this was 5 months ago. We're down 72% from the all-time high, which isn't bad. All-time lows over a year ago. If you would have bought this over a year ago, you would not be watching this. You'd be rich because it's up massively. This coin's currently available on the following markets, guys. You got Gate, Coinbase, BitUnX, KuCoin, OrangeX, Bybit. There's 6 different pages of exchanges down here. So if you want this coin, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Toshi. All right, everybody, let's get to Toshi. This is what we had drawn last time we were here. We had the prior support from our first support area back on November 2024, which we tagged back here. And then we had our fib drawn to our triple support area right here at 003. You can see the triple support area held very, very well as our main support outside of the slight deviation that we had back here in April 2025. As of right now, we bounced up the 236 perfectly at 0047. Currently working our way up towards the 382 at 0006. And that's where we saw the slight rejection. So we saw the slight rejection with this wick. This is the day chart. I really wouldn't be too worried about it. But right now, the indicators are actually primed, like absolutely primed to run. What I mean by that is MACD is gearing up for a bullish crossover. You haven't been bullish on the MACD since May 22nd, guys. RSI is tailing back up, very, very sharp turn to the upside, which in turn has broken the steep downtrend that you guys are in. So you're officially are in a breakout on the RSI, similar with the WTX. WTX is tailing back up, and the big one, the stock RSI, guys. We stayed down here for quite a while on the stock RSI, and look at this thing is running now. So my personal opinion, Toshi, once it breaks this 382 area, is most likely going to be heading back up to the 618 and then to its all-time high price. This next rally that we're about to see here for Toshi in the step up pattern that we've been talking about, you can see our 1-step, 2-step, 3-step, and I think this is where we're heading up here. Toshi. I'm not sure if Toshi has futures, but if Toshi has futures, I might toss a long on this bad boy because it really, really, really does look like it's about ready to rip ass to the upside. So right now the main focus is breaking over the 382. If we happen to do that, obviously there is going to be a slight resistance to the 618, but I don't think it's going to be very, very dramatic, which is a 65% gain. But I think Toshi is about ready to do a 2.3x here very, very soon up to the 786. I think this is going to be the play for Toshi to play out this step up pattern. Boom, 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 and then up here. So I'll get ready to rock and roll, guys. This is looking juiced up. Indicators are looking solid on the 4-day or on the 1-day. For you 4-hour people, your swing traders, it does look a little toppy, which was indicated by that wick to the top side of the 382 and the slight retracement. I've talked about it over and over. Now's not the time to be looking at 4-hour time frames in swing trading. Now's the time to be accumulating and holding till the end of 2025. So longer term time frames are looking really good. Like we talked about, the day chart's looking solid. 3-day chart obviously isn't loading. 1-day chart, everything just froze. So with that, guys, Toshi just has to break out of that 382 area, and I think that should be happening very, very soon, and then we'll reassess the situation. With that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins that you would like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.